Hello, you are highly welcome to another special topic. How to use Shea Nut Leaf to boost poultry growth, immunity and productivity. Organic farming hack. Are you a poultry farmer? Are you finding it difficult to cope up with the high cost of synthetic medication? This particular video is for you. Wherever you are watching this video from, if you don't know anything about Shea Nut Leaf, this is shea butter. I know that most of you know what we call shea butter. This is shea butter, you can see it. This shea butter comes from a product called shea nut. You can see it. Many of you in your region or in your locality know what we call shea butter. It is used in organic treatment of pains and injuries. This is shea butter. It comes from a fruit called shea nut. This is exactly what we are treating. Here, we are not talking about the shea butter here. We are discussing shea nut leaf. That's shea tree leaf. How to make use of it in organic poultry farming to boost your poultry immunity, productivity, and growth level within a short period of time. I will advise you to watch this video to the end. Make sure you don't skip any track at all. You see, this is shea butter. Let's go there. In the quest for natural and cost-effective alternatives in livestock and poultry farming, the use of organic and medicinal plants has gained massive attention among organic farmers. One such underutilized but highly beneficial plant is the shea nut leaf. It is called Vetereria paradoxa, that is a botanical name. It is known for its therapeutic properties in traditional African medicine. This leaf is now emerging as a powerful organic supplement in poultry and livestock production. It is not only enhanced product growth and productivity, but also enhance its immunity and also prevent infections and diseases. So if you are having diseases in your poultry farming, you're having infections always, you can make use of this shea tree leaf and take care of your poultry and livestock animals with ease, without any cost added to it. Do you have this shea tree in your environment? Do you have it in your farm? This is a very good gold mine for you. In fact, you are living on a gold mine. In this particular video, we are discussing the scope or everything concerning this shea tree leaf. I will give you 12 most important, relevant and medicinal properties, its nutritional benefit to poultry and livestock animals, the health issues it can take to prevent, step-by-step preparation method, and how to correct your poultry issues with shea nut leaf juice. The correct dose and mode of administration will be discussed in this particular video, and at the end, I will give you my advice on how to handle your poultry diseases. If you can't watch to the end, it means you will lack a lot from this particular video. Let's start with the medicinal benefits of shea nut leaf in poultry and livestock. One, it boosts immunity. Is your poultry birds having diseases always, or are you always having constant infections in your poultry and livestock farm? This particular video is for you. You can make use of this shea leaf tree juice because it boosts immunity. It is very rich in antioxidants and biotic compounds. It stimulates natural immunity against common poultry diseases and infections. It acts as antibacterial properties. It contains phenolic compounds that fight bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and others. It acts as antiviral effects. It helps suppress viral diseases like Newcastle disease, Gomboro, that's infectious brucei, and others also. It has antifungal effects. Take care of effective fungal infections like aspergillosis. Do you know aspergillosis and candidiasis? Aspergillosis make chickens not to breathe well. It blocks their nostrils and their air passage. They find it difficult to breathe, and most of them buy from that stand. So it is good for you to make use of this particular plant. It also stimulates appetite, encourage them to feed well, and at the same time absorb the feed. It gives you 100% feed conversion and feed oxidation. So if you're a poultry farmer and your birds are not eating well, remember that if they don't eat well, there's no way they can convert the feed. And if they don't convert the feed, there's no way they can get massive weight you demand. And if you don't get the massive weight, how can you make profit in the investment? So this particular plant will help you also. It acts as detoxification agent. It helps detoxify the liver and remove harmful substances like toxins and residues from the poultry head. Act as natural dewormer. Are you having worms that prevent your birds from eating well and growing well. This particular plant is also good for you because it helps to reduce worm burden in poultry and livestock, washes all the chemicals that are occupied in the system that prevent them from eating, and at the same time give you a remedy for your poultry production. It has as anti-inflammatory benefits, reduces inflammations caused by infections and injuries in poultry, wound healing support, speed up recovery from wounds and skin infections when used internally and externally. It is very rich in vitamins and minerals. It supplies essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, calcium, magnesium, iron, and others for overall health for your animals. The egg size and shell quality enhancer. It improves egg yolk color, egg mass, and eggshell hardness in layers. Your layers chicken will lay massive and jumbo eggs for you, and eggshell will be strong. You will have less cracked egg in your poultry farm. Are you having cracked eggs? Are you having deformed eggs, porous shells? All these are taken care of by this particular plant. And that one is heat stress resistant. It helps animals, most especially poultry, to withstand extreme weather conditions, particularly during hot seasons. Are you living in hot zone of your or hot climate of your country? Are you in the hot region of your environment? These particular plants can help them to reduce stress. Remember, stress can prevent your birds from eating well, and if they don't eat well, there is no way they can give you the result you need. All these are taken care of by Shea Nut Plant Leaf Juice. Poultry and livestock diseases, Shea Nut Leaf can help prevent or cure. 1 is Newcastle disease. 2, coccidiosis. 3, chronic respiratory disease, CROD. 4 is typhoid, fowl typhoid. 5, worm infestations, diarrhea and dysentery. Bacterial arthritis, weak immunity related deaths, heat stress symptoms, brucell, that is in gomboro, egg drop syndrome. If your egg, not dropping the normal egg you're supposed to draw, they are giving you less egg in a week. This plant will help to take care of it. Liver and kidney stress to take care of by this plant also. How do you prepare this Shea Nut Leaf extract? Here, as I said, we are talking about the leaf extract, not the shea fruit itself. 1, gather handful of this Shea Nut Leaf. Up to 500 grams of it is okay for you, depending on the number of birds you have in your farm. Fresh one is good for fresh juice. You can still use dried one, but it must not be sun dried. It should be air dry. That means it should in room dry, not sun dry, because sun dry will take most of the chemical properties out of it. So gather 500 grams of the fresh Shea Nut Leaf. Wash thoroughly with clean water. Then blend the leaf. If you have blender, if you don't have blender, you can use your local mortar and pestle and pound them very well. Extract the juice with 1 to 2 liters of water, clean water please. Then after extracting the juice, you can throw away the waste and keep the juice. It's the juice you make use of. You can as well wash it thoroughly and put it inside a very clean pot. Add 2 to 3 liters of water or 5 liters depending on the number of birds you want to serve. Then boil it up to 20 to 30 minutes. After boiling, let it cool down. After cooling, sieve it and remove the solid particles. Then keep the juice. Allow the juice to cool very well before, and make sure there's no particle that will block the water passage of your drinkers. Then store the liquid extract in a clean airtight container. Please, I said airtight container because flies can enter there and inject maggots. So don't keep it open. Keep it refrigerated if you have. If not, use immediately. If you don't have fridge, you can use immediately and give them fresh ones on daily basis, 3 to 5 days, depending on the number of birds you have. What are the dosage for broilers, layers, growers, and cockerels and other birds like noila? For starter, that is 0 to 3 weeks of age. During the brooding stage, 5 ml to 10 ml per liter of drinking water 2 times in a week. Growers and finishers, 4 to 8 weeks of age, 15 to 20 ml per liter of drinking water 3 times in a week. For layers, 20 ml per liter of twice weekly to maintain egg production and health. For livestock animals like 4-legged animals, goats, sheep, pig, cattle, and others, 50 to 70 ml orally once daily for 3 to 5 days. For treatment, once weekly for prevention, goat and sheep. Then for pigs, 100 ml orally or in a feed, 2 to 3 times a week. For cattle, they are big animals, 200 to 250 ml orally. 2 times in a week. Note, always introduce slowly to new stock and monitor their reaction. Reduce dosage during harsh weather or when animals are under stress. This is the way you can get the best result. Shea Nut Leaf is a natural, readily available and affordable organic solution for improving poultry and livestock health, growth and productivity. Its antimicrobial, immune boosting and detoxifying properties make it perfect replacement or complement to synthetic drugs and antibiotics. Incorporate Shea Nut Leaf extract into your poultry and livestock management today to reduce cost of production and minimize mortality, increase productivity, promote healthier and organic farming practices. Small scale farmers application today is very important. Observe the results and gradually incorporate it into your full routine for your poultry health. Make sure you serve your poultry best according to the standard I laid on this particular video. If you have any comments regarding this particular video or any question regarding this video, drop it on the comment section. I will be glad to read from you. Remember to say happy birthday to me. Are your best having stunted growth? See the product here. This is Eco Bio Booster, Feed Booster. You want to boost the production of the richness of your feed. You want to make your feed richer. If your poultry birds are having stunted growth, it means they are not getting the normal nutrient they're supposed to get from the commercial feed, or the feed you're using is not rich. See what you're using to boost their feed. This is Eco Bio Boost Feed Booster. It is used to boost the feed. It has a lot of many ingredients, organic ingredients, protein, calcium, minerals and vitamins in short are fully fortified. It will add to the one the feed have and you get maximum result. Don't forget our Eco Bio Boost liquid for your heads, for their heads. See it. We have them here. This is only 55,000 naira. See it. This is Eco Bio Boost. To boost their head, they will have strong immune system, good growth. You get maximum result, maximum weight. Short period of time, you produce your chicken and sell your chicken with high profit. Eco Bio Boost liquid. This is their organic tea. This is their own yogurt. Give it your chicken and see the result today. Are you seeing it? 55,000 naira. Send me a message on my WhatsApp line. I will add the number here. See this number on the screen. This is what you are going to use. Send the number to me and chat me up. Then you get it to in your location within a short period of time. If you pay today, you get it the next day. Thank you for watching this video. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Please, if you have any issue in your poultry, always drop your questions on the comment section. Don't send it on my WhatsApp line, please. Send your questions here. I will always attend to you here. Tell me what you think about the particular Shea Nut. Do you have it? Do you have the tree in your locality? What do you call it in your native language? Let me know on the comment section. Do you have poultry birds? Which birds are you rearing? Let me know on the comment section. Where are you watching the video from? Which location? Which state? Which country? Let me know on the comment section. Share the video. Always share our videos. And happy birthday to me. My birthday celebration that just went on 24th of July. Thank you for watching. Till the next video is uploaded in the channel. Make sure you subscribe to our both channels, Dr. Leo, Charles, and the Poultry Side TV, where you get all your maximum benefits in poultry and organic poultry farming. Bye for now.